Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with essential checks. Confirm your device and the specific app support auto-rotate because some apps force portrait. Next, open settings and toggle auto-rotate off and then on to reset the sensor state. Once done, force close the app and reopen it. Make sure rotation lock is disabled in quick settings. If your phone has a case, remove it to avoid magnetic interference. These first actions rule out simple software and accessory causes before deeper steps. Now move into diagnostics and repair. You should test the accelerometer using built-in diagnostics or a sensor testing app to see if readings change when you tilt the device. Calibrate if available. Make sure the operating system and the app are updated because software bugs often break rotation. If one app is stubborn, clear its cache or reinstall it. Once done, retest rotation across multiple apps to isolate whether the problem is system-wide. Finish by choosing the right final fix. If diagnostics show a software fault and updates failed, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This removes deep software conflicts. If the accelerometer fails tests or behaves erratically in safe mode, arrange a hardware repair or sensor replacement. Make sure to test rotation in safe mode first to rule out third-party apps. If rotation works in safe mode, uninstall recent apps until you find the culprit. If not, proceed with hardware service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.